Hello again, my friends. In this video, I will be sharing 3 common mistakes when contributing to your Roth IRA. I am so glad that more and more people are becoming aware of the importance and advantage of contributing to a Roth IRA. Roth IRAs are a great way to potentially double, triple, or quadruple our retirement savings over time in a tax-free manner. But over the years, I've seen people make these 3 common mistakes. As Warren Buffett said, it's good to learn from your mistakes. It's even better to learn from other people's mistakes. So let me share them with you. First mistake that I've seen people make when dealing with the Roth IRAs is not investing their Roth contributions. So I was going hiking this weekend and in Sugarloaf Mountain up in Maryland with 2 of my friends. Don't worry, we wore masks. This is my mask. And we tried to keep our distance with other hikers. And eventually we started talking about Roth IRAs. One of them asked the other, hey, make sure you're investing your contributions. And my other friend was like, oh, I didn't know I needed to do that. So oftentimes when we open a Roth IRAs, if we don't do anything with that contribution, it's just going to sit in a money market account, which is the default setting in most brokerage firms. And it's probably going to only give you 0.22% interest per year. So it's almost like going hiking and not taking the extra steps to see the panoramic view. You know what I mean? So you're almost there. You want to take that extra step and make sure you invest your Roth contributions. So second mistake that I've seen people make is opening a Roth with a bank. So I don't have anything against banks. I use a bank, but the downside of opening a Roth IRA with a bank is most likely it's just going to sit in a savings account or a CD. And again, it's not going to make you that much money if your objective is to grow it. So you can't really take advantage of tax-free earnings when you don't really have a lot of earnings. So that's all I can say about it. So third mistake that I've seen people make is contributing to a Roth IRA even though you're no longer eligible. So what happens typically, and people don't do this consciously, and typically what happens is you're eligible at some point in the past, you're contributing, and it's become a habit for you, but you're getting promotions in your company, your salaries increase over time until you're actually no longer eligible without even you realizing. So you want to make sure that you're eligible before you make that contribution. Now, if you are the type of person who wants to invest their retirement savings in a socially responsible manner, meaning, for example, you want to avoid companies that are involved in weapons, or you believe in climate change and you want to avoid companies that are investing in oil and gas, fossil fuel companies, make sure you check out our video on fossil fuel free investing. Until next time.